Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu. Shalom. Introduk myself, Nisa Yuma Dewi Dewati, ID SB 21026, refers to the program. Here I will present a presentation entitled Forgive. Forgiveness is one way for a person to realize a great on feeling tired, angry, and displeasure in earth. The just saying sorry with forgiveness is also a medium to show empathy as and from to forgiveness for those who he hurt. Apologizing and forgiving are is the course and quiz on head individual. This may also that are difficult from some people, especially if the person who did is wrongdoing those feel poorly in forgiveness. However, it is unable the when someone forgive as hurt, there will be many benefits that can be obtained from various experts of hurt. On the other hand, holding a grudge over a problem is considered head on both physical and mental health. The benefits of forgiveness for the health of the body, namely 1. Improve mental health. A study conducted in the annals of behavioral medical explain forgiveness will make our body more relaxed. It will record risks of stress and feeling of depression. So ultimately, the forgiveness process can improve a person's mental health. 2. Regulate emotion better. Related when forgive will make a person in her interest of excess anger, so it is inevitable to counter emotion. The will eventually lead and the risk of regret process is defeated when the anger can be molded and replaced by learning to give. This process will help us to control our emotion better, which is constantly healthy of the body. 3. Have meditation health help. As Karen Sweat expresses, people won't hurt God becomes the don't forgive tend to get emotional easily. This situation also causes the most of the body to become tenses of the heart is irregular feeling of resentment and anger are also always executed with headward process with it not good for the head. On the heart, forgiveness can relax the body to the it can help ventilation good heart. 4. But the immune system. Anger and resentment are also associated with cross into body immune response. Some students say the process of forgiving and order can also ultimately help boost a person's immune system. 5. Improve sleep quality. Forgiveness can recall the negative aspect of anger and excessive emotion because of something. The forgiveness process can be a means of relaxation that reduce stress level so at the ease, and this also afford the fulfillment of better sleep quality given that high stress level are often associated with sleep problem, some as insomnia or hypersomnia. 6. Respect and love yourself. People who can forgive or the unforgive themselves more easily. This can also be a form of amputation, and the first step show that we can love ourselves more. Be resting and love yourself. You can ability mention your mental and physical health. If your health and heart team doing it, maybe have positive reaction on forget and forget. Learn to accept. Forgiveness, though I'm bad, happen is okay. Basis, you also that have to accept him back to your life when there is still matter. Forgiveness simply meant to you have come to them with them pain and are ready to let it go. In essence, you are able to take land for everything the happiness for you and God. Forgiveness is on something you do and someone else. It is something you do for your God. Not forgiving someone is tantamount to staying trapped in the prison hell. Use them to express for someone also mistakes. Remember, you are the own makers to cause to think about the pain the other people have caused. If you can forgive and forget, your life will be more peaceful. So strength. The ability to forgive some often have nothing to do with the person or what they do. The only person what counter you strong failing action and makes cause is yourself. And to do it takes and strength to face the pain, to forgive and let it go, and to forget. If you are able to forgive atau forget the mistakes of other, it means to you a strong person, psychological and mentally. And for the end, they want to be forgiven. Your mouth have more takes to. However, how you forgive yourself of the mistake? If not, maybe this is the card. often to inability of forget or stem for inability to forgive oneself. So, forgive yourself so you can also learn to forgive and forget the mistakes on others. Remember, other people different forgiveness you like you, just like you. Think of self-love. When you hurt girls, give girls some good or pain from two parts, the world with body will suffer. So, forgive and forget to make sick. Let out yourself physically and physically. Work good and hard. Forgiving someone is the highest and most beautiful form is the form concept human in first and happiness in forgiving and forgetting is for the earth. Thank you.